Is your Canon DSLR flash going off automatically even in auto mode? It can ruin low light scenes or attract attention when you don't want it to. The good news, you can turn it off completely even while using automatic mode. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the flash in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Method 1. Using dialer mode. First, turn on your camera. Now if you look at the top of your camera body, you'll see a wheel where you will see some letters like M, AV, TV, P, etc. It's called mode dialer. Now switch this dialer to the flash off icon. It looks like a lightning bolt with a line through it. Method 2. Flash control. First, turn on your camera, then press on the menu button. Now scroll all the way down. Here you will see flash control option. Tap on it. Here you will get flash firing option. Tap on it. Here you will get two options, like enable and disable. Then select disable. Method 3. Using a button. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Flash control is only available in these modes. Now click on the red camera icon. Then if you just simply look at your camera, you'll see a button called WB. Then press on it. Here you'll see a bolt icon on the screen. Now use the arrow button to select this bolt or flash icon. If your flash is enabled, select other options except flash icon. I recommend selecting AWB, auto white balance. Then press the set button to save it. That's all for now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and take care.